Well, guys, not a super long video today. This one is going to be super short. We got Boots down here sleeping on the heater because he got kind of bored with me. He looks real enthused right now. But I've literally not done nothing to the shell of the car today. Have been working on some of the race stuff in the background. I'm going to drop a video super soon on that. But I did go out here tonight. It's raining outside. It was after dark when I got home. I know you can't really see anything, but you can see it's wet and rainy. Pretty nasty. But I went out there with my little scrub brush and water hose because it's not got super cold yet. And I took all the parts that I'm going to be putting back on the car here. I took all this stuff and I scrubbed it and degreased it and Scotch-Brite padded it with some purple power. Washed off with a water hose, and then I brought it in here after it sat on a towel here on the floor for a little while. Brought it in here and laid it out to dry. Tomorrow I'm going to come in here. I'm going to run over some of this stuff with a wire brush or Scotch-Brite pad again. Especially like the steering shaft and pedal and steering column brace right there. I'm going to scuff all this stuff down, shoot a little primer on it, and some semi-gloss black. Same's going to go with everything. I'm going to do everything at this point. Most of this stuff be semi-gloss, and like these spindles, they'll be an aluminum color or a silver of some sort. And same with the rack and pinion. I got it all cleaned up. And if you watch my video from today, which would be yesterday by the time this releases, I did get some control arms and stuff, bolts. So my main goal is I'm going to get all this stuff bolted back up under there. I'm going to get all my race information sent over to the track owner so he can approve it. And lots of painting tomorrow is going to happen. I did order all the parts over here for the motor today. Timing chain, tensioner. Ordered a set of ZZP lifters and set of valve springs and stuff because we are going to turbo this motor. Ordered all the seals for the transmission that I'm going to replace. And a filter and a pan gasket. The only thing that I don't have, that I did not get so far, is a new drive belt, and I am going to put one of those on there. These plug wires were put on not too long ago, and I replaced one of these coil packs in one of my do-it-yourself videos, if you want to check that out. So, should be, hopefully, middle of next week, we'll start on the motor. Now, I may go ahead and pull this down and start tearing it down and getting stuff cleaned up as we go. But definitely gonna do a video doing this tear down. I've been trying to show y'all at least 90% of the work. Now, I did not video this because it was dark outside and I was out there with the flashlight scrubbing this stuff in the rain. So, it happened, so here it is. And I know you've seen the pictures of this stuff in the other videos. You can tell that this stuff's clean, so got that going on. Yeah. Boots looks like he's awake now and still really not thrilled. But like I told you yesterday in yesterday's video, I'm going to give something away when we get to 500 subscribers. Some kind of collectible of some sort. Or something cool that I got around the garage. So make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to these videos. Just kind of stay updated. And when we get to 1,000, I'm going to give something else away. It's not going to be something small. It'll be something bigger. I do have some LS stuff laying around of different things. I'm going to give something away at 500, and I'm going to give something away at 1,000. Don't know what it's going to be, but it'll be something cool also, and it'll be absolutely no cost. So make sure you like and share and subscribe to stuff. It really helps. Like I said, I'm still working on the race stuff, and I'm planning on releasing a video on that real soon. So I'm going to end this video right here. Hopefully Boots will be in a little better mood tomorrow and not so sleepy, and maybe I'll make a little more progress. See you tomorrow.